Hey guys, how's it going? Now we all love snapping more and more images on our smartphones. I mean, with cameras getting so good, it obviously makes up for a lot of photos on our devices. That said, organizing those photos can be a tedious task. I mean, stock gallery apps are just not cutting it nowadays, and you need some extra features that are missing from those pre-installed apps. So it's no surprise to me that a lot of you guys have been asking me for some of the best gallery apps out there for your Android devices, and well, that's what this video is all about. Today, I'll show you my list of apps that'll help you organize your images in simple and productive manners while also enabling you to view them easily. So without wasting any more time, this is Varun from Guiding Tech, and let's get started. Right off the bat, if you've been following me, you know that my go-to recommendation for a great gallery app on Android has to be Pictures. I mean, I've been using it for a very long time and it's still one of my go-to recommendations for every smartphone out there. It offers a clean material UI to browse through albums while also offering some pretty interesting features. The photo editor works great and it even allows you to change the image size and remove the location of it while sharing. Add to that the option to share files via Wi-Fi and you have in your hands the perfect gallery app. Next up, if you're looking for a more modern designed app that lets you organize your images, look no further than Slidebox. With Slidebox, you can manage your pictures using gestures. Swipe up if you want to remove unnecessary pictures or pick an album to organize files. The app considerably improves gesture swiping, allowing you to compare original, similar photos and duplicates. The albums are displayed at the bottom so you can select the one to manage your pictures. You can easily import an album from your gallery or create a new one right inside the app. Now if simplicity is all that you guys are after, look no further than Simple Gallery. I mean, the name says it all. Simple Gallery has a minimalist design and set of features, but it also offers all the necessary functionality required from the best Android photo gallery application. Using this app, you can easily browse through files and filter them out by date, size, name, etc. Also, you can apply various themes to enjoy different app designs too. Now, if you want to take things up further a notch and you just want a very simple and lightweight app that lets you just browse through images without lagging down, look no further than Focus Go. Focus Go weighs in at just 1.5 MB. The app is super simple and works as a basic gallery app. No unnecessary animations, no load times, and no ads. If you're looking for a simple, bare bones gallery app, this is gonna be just perfect. Okay, so while Slidebox offers you gestures to help you organize and sort your images, sometimes you need a little bit more, and well, that's where F-Stop comes in. So apart from the usual gallery features that it offers, F-Stop also comes with a unique tool that allows you to sort and search images based on their metadata. As such, you can either search for saved data or even add tags of your own. Or you can choose to search through images using a map interface based on the location. Now speaking of data, another app that I really love in this category is the Camera Roll app. It's a super simple gallery app, much like Focus Go, but it comes with one serious tool up its sleeve. So not only does it allow you to view your EXIF data, you can even modify it if you want to. Okay, now organizing and sorting images is one thing, but what if you're looking for a great gallery app that also ensures your privacy and even gives you options to hide your important or confidential or private photos? Well, if you want a gallery app that lets you basically hide all your photos, selected photos obviously I mean, then look no further than One Gallery. Having secure folders is nothing new, but One Gallery ensures that your hidden photos stay encrypted as well. That is a pretty unique feature. Other than that, it also comes with an advanced photo editor, so there's that. The animations are kind of on the heavy side, but it's still a pretty good and useful gallery app. And well, that was it. As always, you can find the download links to all of the apps that I talked about down there in the description box. Also, if you're using a gallery app that you feel should have made this list, sound off in the comments below. I'll try it out and who knows, maybe I'll make an updated video with that app included. Till then, this is Varun from Guiding Tech and I'll see you in the next one.